What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy KokusFx on this one again. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys a story. You guys can see the title of this video. My cat shifted my trading psychology. Like, when I say that my cat helped me improve my, let me just use the word improvement. My cat helped me improve my trading psychology. Like, when I say this, like, I never knew that I'm gonna one day like have this kind of experience, and like I'm going to tell you guys the whole story, how everything happened, and you guys will see the reason behind that improvement that the cat impacted on my trading psychology. So this is what happened. So guys, if you're new to this channel, please consider to subscribe and leave a like on the video and drop your comment in the comment. But before you drop your comment, let me tell you guys the whole story so that you know what to drop in the comment section. So guys, sorry for that. How this whole stuff started was that one day I was inside my house. Okay. Earlier, 2 months ago, I bought a cat. We bought 2 cats. I and my friend. My friend have one, and I have one, like a male and female. So we bought the 2 cats because rats and cockroach have been disturbing me in my house. So you guys in Nigeria know that no matter how neat your house is, it's not for cockroach. That cockroach must enter. Though that's by the way. So we bought the 2 cats because at times I used to see snakes around this place I'm staying for now. So that was the major reason I bought the cat. So fast forward to the reason why I said that the cat helped improve my trading psychology. This was what happened. Like, this is the most important part of the whole story here. One day I was inside my room. I was studying. It was early in the morning. Yeah, I was actually waiting for. No, it wasn't in the morning. It was evening. Yeah, around 8:30 in the 8:30 p.m. or a.m. 8:30 p.m. in the evening, Nigerian time. So I was studying, and I noticed something. I saw my cat sitting on the floor. You guys know how. Some of you that used to watch Nat Geo Wild, you guys see if whenever a lion wants to hunt, or a tiger or a leopard wants to hunt, there is a particular pose that they used to take and be waiting for the prey. So I saw my cat, a very small cat, 3 months old. The cat is about 3 months old. I saw the cat pose. I was like, what's this cat doing? Her name is Luna. I said, Luna, what are you doing? She did meow. I left her. Then I looked up. I saw a cockroach that is on the wall. The cockroach is above her height. So I said, okay, let me watch and see what this cat is going to do. Let me just watch and see what this cat is going to do. So due to that, I was distracted. So I have to leave what I was studying, and I want to get exactly what this cat is what this cat wanted to do. So I was watching this cat. I watched this cat for like 15 minutes. I was watching the cat. I was quiet and watching it. I was smiling. I said, what was this cat doing? So the cat waited, and the cockroach didn't even know that the cat was there. So the cockroach was coming down. So immediately this cockroach got to an extent, the cat jumped from the ground and grabbed the cockroach and pierced the cockroach and chopped and ate the cockroach. Now, this is the main reason why I said that this particular let's say illustration or experience shifted my trading psychology. So let's take this to trading. Let's take it to trading aspect. Let me use the word aspect. Let's shift it to trading, to the trading world, to the forex world. What does this mean? When I saw this, I told myself, when a cat of 3 months with a minor brain can wait for, because the cockroach is her prey, can wait for her prey for like 15 minutes to 20 minutes in order for her to give a target so that she will catch the cockroach. Then why can't I, a human being with full active brain, why can't I wait for like 30 minutes to 1 hour for my setup? Like, this question I asked myself. Like, it's crazy. It's crazy. I said, when a small cat like this can do this, why can't I do this also? So since that time, I said to myself, okay, then after that moment, like there was a day I waited for my setup for complete 8 hours. 8 fucking hours. That's crazy. Like I did it and I told my guy, bro, see, I've been waiting for this setup since London opened. That's 9:30. And this is almost New York afternoon, New York PM. Nothing has happened. But I waited. Immediately price, because I'm a price action trader. Immediately price gave me what I wanted. Immediately I strike, the trade went on my favor. I said, yo, this really works. So what I'm trying to let me just round this whole stuff up. What I'm trying to tell you all is that patience is the key. Timing, perfect timing. When I started learning Forex, most of you that have been watching my YouTube videos right from time when I made the video, I was asking people, should I start Forex? What is their opinion? How is Forex? Because I don't know anything about Forex. I didn't know any. I didn't even know what was trend line, to see how dumb I was. So many people said if you lose money. Many people talk their mind, but before that, I wasn't even waiting for anybody's validation, because I've already made up my mind that I want to learn it, and I started doing it up to this extent. This extent now, I can pull up the chart and analyze the chart, and 80% of the time, what my analysis is correct. Okay, I started July. I started learning Forex earlier July. So July, August, September, October, November, December. This is 6 months in the game, and I thank God for the improvement. So thank you for watching the video. I don't want this video to be much long. So the aim of me recording this video is to tell you that waiting for a setup is the prior, because in Forex, what moves the market more is timing. You can compare the volatility when during the London Open to during the Asian session. You can't compare the volatility. I'm talking out of experience. I've seated down like this for a whole day watching the chart, and I see how price moves. Like, you can compare the volatility to the New York Open. So what I'm trying to tell you is that waiting for your setup is the best thing you can do for yourself. See, I've been in the category of those chasing candles. I've chased candles. I'm trying to say that I'm perfect right now, or that I've become that dream trader I want to be. What I'm trying to tell you is that I've made an improvement, and I've made an improvement. So that's crazy. So guys, thank you all for watching the video. I guess it was insightful. Yeah, it was insightful, because when a cat can wait 15 to 20 minutes just to catch a cockroach, then why can't you wait for 30 minutes to 1 hour to catch your setup? And when you catch it, so far as your directional bias is correct, then boom, you're on it. So guys, don't forget that the journey is to elevate, to terminate. Let me do terminate. If I would speak English, I don't even know. The dream is to terminate poverty and make generational wealth. So that is it. So this word should be ringing on your mind every day. I'm born to do this. I'm born to do this. And few years from now, you see that actually you are born to do this. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for following up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and drop your thoughts in the comment section. And don't just watch this video, just implement it in trading psychology, and you will see a shift. So guys, thank you all. I love you all. Bye bye, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.